This bathroom was a total remodeling. We removed all the old tiles and sheetrocks from the wall. It was a total renovation of the floor and walls. Was replaced with porcelain tiles, a new vanity with a granite countertop, all coil toilet and accessories. We installed a new window, new glass shower door, and we inserted a darker gray porcelain tile to accent the walls, the shower bench. On the floor we used a matte porcelain tiles. We also installed one wall with darker porcelain tiles with a fogless mirrors and lights.